So we are at my Uncle Mike's pond again today, and we are at his lake right now. I'm just fishing right here. Just dropped it down. When we get a fish,
what are you using for bait?
I'm using a worm that's barely even on there. And the reason why I think I'm not getting any bites is because they're all sleeping. When we get a fish, we'll get the camera back out and we'll film. See ya. Hey guys, I just caught a fish and he's in that black bucket over there. If my dad wants to show you guys, he can. He was fishing with me as well, and I just want to catch a few more fish before I go eat breakfast because I am starving right now. And so guys, he's a little camouflaged. If you can see him, that's great. And so guys, I just took a cast before my dad turned off the GoPro. And I am gonna fix my worm real quick. But I did get a few nibbles. And I'm about to take my cast. I like to cast right under my uncle's dock, only because there's like perch down here, because perch are my favorite fish. If it was like a bluegill, I would have been throwing it back. Okay. Got a nibble. Alright. Hey, he's eating.
Said it?
No, he's eating my weight.
Oh, he's eating your weight?
Yeah. Daddy.
Let me see if I can't get it.
I think I broke my rod you got. Well, this is basically my uncle's rod, so kind of my uncle. Oh my god, you guys. Buddy, you're not supposed to. Hit you.
Ooh, look at that. Nice perch, dude. You gonna show the camera?
So guys, I just got a perch. Yeah, when I get it off the
You gotta speak up. Oh!
So guys, I just caught a perch. He's flopping all over the deck right now, and I don't know if I should put him in the bucket or not. And
Yeah, let's see him.
I'm gonna put this guy in the bucket and see what else we can catch. Yeah. So guys, I just caught this perch, and
Hey, dude, look at the camera.
he is such a big. Oh my god.
Let's see him.
He is such a big boy. I might put him in the bucket. I don't know yet, but Dad, let go. This boy is on fire. Bye-bye, boogie boy.
Where'd you catch him? Out in the middle? Or right off the edge of the dock?
Yeah, I was just reeling in. And he went like, whoop back.
Nice.
So they he probably chased it in here. I'm gonna catch it out. See if I can-
Why don't we take them off and see if we can't catch a bigger one?
Better idea. Let's see where it goes. Right there. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Buddy, I know you're a good boy. Relieve the pain. Oh my god, this is such an easy thing to get off. Sorry, buddy. Sorry if I'm hurting you.
Nice. See him.
So guys, I have a fish on right now. I'm gonna be fighting it. What do you think the fish is? Type it down below. And there's bluegill, there's
That's a big bluegill. Holy cow.
But there's bluegill, there's bass, there's a whole bunch of cool fish like this one. And he swallowed it, so
Yeah, we'll probably have to cut the line, huh?
I don't think you have to. It's not very deep.
Okay, let's try it. Let's get the pliers.
Look, it's not very deep.
Oh, it's right there? Okay.
My dad is officially just using a worm, and he's like, "Oh, Ashton," and then I'm like, "Can we go in?" And he's like, "Ashton, let me catch a fish." And I'm like, "Okay, whatever you say." And I'm like, "Oh, wait, Dad, I want to keep that bluegill." He caught a bluegill. Nice. Ow. What was your trick, Dad? No, don't throw them back. Here, give me here. Wait, no, I got him by the lip.
Huh?
Yeah, I got him. Here, I'll just hold him like this. Ow, ow. Yeah. Made me bleed. You little jerk. Yeah, that really just happened. That really just happened. Why?